Potassium is another important macronutrient required for maintaining the fertility of soil. Potassium is required at high levels by growing plants. It activates enzymes and plays a key role in the water balance in plants and also for some carbohydrate transformation. Though potassium is abundant in the earth crust, most of it is not available to plants. Only the clay minerals present in soil containing excessive potassium, they make it available to the plants. Crop fertilizers contains 6% of nitrogen, 12% of phosphorus as in phosphorus pentoxide and 8% of potassium as potassium oxide. The main functions of potassium are: it is an essential constituent of chlorophyll and photosynthesis. Potassium is necessary for tuber development. Potassium strengthens the cereal plants and it reduces lodging in them. It is also necessary for exerting a balancing effect on both nitrogen and phosphorus. Another important requirement of potassium is that it increases formation of carbohydrate and promotes metabolism in plants. Deficiency of potassium results in chlorosis and decreases the rate of photosynthesis. The potassium deficiency is also responsible for drying back tips of shoots and is responsible for reduced growth of shoots. Potato plants show abnormal dark green or brown color foliage if there is deficiency of potassium. Calcium is another important micronutrient which is required for maintaining the fertility of a soil. Calcium acts as a plant nutrient and also as a soil amendment for correcting the soil acidity. Calcium occurs as calcium pectate in cell walls of leaves and in the ionic form in cell sap. Application of calcium to the soils in the form of calcium carbonate corrects the soil acidity. It is a structural component of chromosomes. The main functions of calcium are: it is involved in root elongation and cell division. Calcium is an essential cofactor of various enzymes including lipase and amylase. Calcium acts as a buffer in plant systems and ameliorates the toxic effects of other nutrients. Calcium enhances nodule formation in leguminous plants. Calcium helps in translocation of sugars in plants. Calcium also induces stiffness of straw and prevents undesirable lodging of plants. Calcium improves intake of other plant nutrients such as manganese, copper, zinc, iron, and boron by correcting the pH of the soil. However, excessive amounts of calcium leads to the decreased availability of other micronutrients. Deficiency of calcium reduces the fertility of the soil, and its deficiency in soil is due to uptake of calcium by plants, leaching by carbonic acid in acid soils, and competitions with high levels of sodium, potassium, magnesium in alkaline soils. Calcium deficiency causes several adverse effects such as: the normal growth of plant is arrested, roots become short, stubby, and brown in color. Acidity of cell saps increases abnormally and it hampers the physiological functions of the plants. Leaves becomes wrinkled and buds die. Another important material or micronutrient which is required for fertility of the soil is magnesium. Magnesium acts as a carrier of phosphate and plays a significant role in the formation of phospholipids and nucleoproteins. It is a mineral constituent of chlorophyll, about 2.7%. Several photosynthetic enzymes present in chlorophyll requires magnesium as an activator. Magnesium is also required by plants in small quantities. Magnesium deficiency in soil is caused by high levels of calcium, potassium, and sodium. Dolomitic limestone, that is magnesium carbonate, is used to supplement the deficiency of magnesium. The main functions of magnesium are: it is required for the formation of chlorophyll, which is indispensable for the photosynthesis process. Magnesium regulates uptake of nitrogen and phosphorus from the soil. It plays a key role in the synthesis of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and oils. And its deficiency causes premature defoliation.